In this video, we're going to show you how to install the coolant reservoir on your Jeep Grand Cherokee located underneath your hood. Now our expansion tank is right here, and there's 3 8mm screws that hold this in place. You're going to go underneath, and the bottom one is back here beside the radiator tank itself. So we're going to use our deep 8mm with a 1/4 inch ratchet and get that one removed first. Our second bolt is about 2/3 of the way up on the side. We use our swivel socket. Go ahead and pop that bolt out there. Before we remove the last bolt supporting the tank itself, we'll go ahead and pop our expansion tank hose off of our radiator. And use my hose pliers here. Now be careful, just twist and pull on this here. You don't want to snap that port off of the radiator. With that off, let's go ahead and remove the last bolt. Go ahead and grab that tank. I'm going to lift that up and just kind of work that out. Go ahead and lower our tank down in a position. Now what we'll do is we'll install one of the upper bolts first. And get that threaded in a little bit. Then we'll go ahead and get the middle bolt started. We have that caught a few threads. I'll go ahead and work on that lower bolt and try and get that started. All right, now that we have that one started there, go ahead and I'll start to snug these up from the bottom and work our way up. You just want to gently snug that into place, and then we'll do the same for the 2 upper. Take your expansion tank hose here, and we're going to put that on our radiator. Go ahead and slide that in. Now we can go ahead and pop the cap and use the appropriate coolant to fill it up to the full mark here. We're going to transfer over our coolant from our old tank. Discard the old tank and just use some additional coolant to fill up to the full mark. Once you have that topped off, you can go ahead and close up the cap, then you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.